Good evening everyone, Best Ever Toy TV here. How are you doing? I hope you're doing really great. And in today's video I'm going to show you my top 8, not top 5, not top 10, but top 8 Tomica cars that I've bought since August of last year until this month. So some may not be the ones that are hard to find, but they've got some stories to tell, and that's why they are included in my top 8. First up here, what we have here is this yellow Toyota FJ Cruiser Tomica number 85. So this is number 8. Check this one out. This is the Toyota FJ Cruiser, and if you ask me why, it is included in my top 8 favorite Tomica casting that I've bought from last year to this year. Is that because our dream car is the Toyota FJ Cruiser, so hopefully we can, me and my wife will be able to buy this someday, maybe in a couple of years. Check out the FJ Cruiser here. Really good looking casting from Tomica. So my wife asked me a while back while we were in a party if I could put this in an acrylic case and put it on the dashboard of our car, just to remind us that maybe in a few years from now we'll be able to buy this. Again, this is our dream car, and also in yellow too. So hopefully we can buy this one, guys, and hopefully I can share it to you when time comes. So that is the FJ Cruiser. Next up here, probably the best looking mainline in recent memories for Tomica. This is the Nissan GTR Nismo GT500. Now I haven't applied the stickers yet. This one has the stickers. Oh, I misplaced the sticker somewhere. Where is it? So must be in another box, but yeah, I haven't applied the sticker. And check this one out. This is the Skyline GTR Nismo GT500, one of the best looking Tomica main lines. This one has opening doors. Check out the fantastic paint job, matte black right there. The spoiler is plastic though. You can see it is a little bit bended. Again, fantastic for you guys out there in the USA. Tomica will be arriving in your country soon. I've seen online there are already some cars available in stores. So that's number 7. Number 6 is this one, an old one, Toyota Hilux. This is still a made in China Tomica casting. And check this one out. This one has a lot of different variants too. There was a red one of this car. I'm not quite sure what else is available for this variant, but I only got this one in green, and I got it in a thrift shop somewhere. And I just love Toyota Hilux and Toyota pickups in general. Pretty banged up, but still I was really happy to have gotten this. So that's number 6. Number 5, what do we have here? Okay, I have to go with this. The blue Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec 2. Whew, that is a long name. 162 scale model. Tomica Premium in black box. And I'll show it to you guys how it looks. And check that one out. Again, Tomica. Can't argue, they make great cars, great casting, and awesome details. I just wish they put rubber tires in their premium cars, but the Tomica Limited Vintage has rubber tires. This one has plastic tires, but the premiums have this different rims compared to the main lines. Opening doors for this one, really smooth, buttery mechanism here. Fantastic. So that's number 5. Number 4, we have to go with this. It is red. It is a supercar. Can you guess what this is? La Ferrari. Yeah, 162 scale model, and here it is. Just an awesome casting. Wow. Yeah, you have to appreciate that. Fantastic job right there from Tomica. Okay, now we are on the number 3. Okay, we have to go with this. The new one, Tomica Skyline Turbo Super Silhouette. I reviewed this not a long time ago. I'll post the link down below. I compared this to the Hot Wheels Skyline Silhouette, so kindly check that review out. Again, link down below, and check this out. Nissan Skyline Turbo Silhouette. Wow, fantastic, right? For the review, again, click the link down below. I'll arrange them from 8 to 1. Okay, number 2. Now, if you don't know yet, I love JDMs, and this one I really like. In real life, I used to have the older version of this, the sedan, the 4-door version, and also the hatchback. But this one, I was not blessed enough to have this in real life. This is here's the box. Tomica Limited Vintage Neo Honda Civic Hong Kong Edition. Check that one out. In yellow. I also have the white version of this one, but I prefer the yellow better compared to the white one. Again, Tomica Limited Vintage. This one has rubber tires. All of these cars from Tomica have suspension, but the Limited Vintage just have much better details. That's why they cost a ton more also, but the details, you can argue about the details here. Check that one out. Fantastic, right? Yeah, pretty. I also did a review of this car, and the last one, my favorite. It is number 9. It is a premium car released this year. Can you guess what this is? Blue one. This is the Datsun. No, not Datsun. Nissan Fairlady Z. Sorry about that. Nissan Fairlady Z. I just love this car. For me, this one is worth every single penny. It is not a limited vintage Neo casting from Tomica. This is as part of the Tomica premiums, but you can't argue. This one looks like a Tomica limited vintage car. You can open the hood here, but yeah, check that out. Open the hood. Fantastic details on the engine again, right? So those are my top 8 Tomica cars from August last year to August of this year, 2019. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Hope to see you soon, guys. Bye bye. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day.